Right, so this chair just has come back from the recaners, and obviously the seat was fine, but the cane in the back was broken, so it needed to be recaned. Let me make sure you can see that. And obviously with new cane, it's going to look new, you know, it's going to look a lot different. This is cane that over time, like the air, and just it's a patina, just like would be on metal or anything else, you know, wood. Hand oils and things like that just kind of give that slowly change the color over time and give it like a patina to the cane. And so this is personal preference. Sometimes people don't want me to do anything to the new cane, and this particular customer, she wants me to kind of darken it. Obviously I've told her I'm not going to be able to match that. That happens naturally over time. I can't, it's not an exact science here, but I'm just going to try and, you know, darken this cane that's on here, and I'll just kind of layer several different products. This is, you know, fresh cane, it's going to absorb it. And then over time, you know, gradually it will age, just like on the bottom. Usually there's a pillow or a cushion on here or something, so it's not quite so stark.